CW Resources is based in New Britain, Connecticut, and our main mission is to provide employment for people with disabilities. Here at our Myrtle Street location, we do dry food packaging for the military and some commercial customers. We employ over 5,000 people throughout the United States. As far as an impact on people go, it's not only the people that we serve, but it's their families as well, and the people that we actually do the work for. So expansion and innovation, we're currently diving deep into. We are kind of breaking the mold as far as what we're looking for. We don't want to be solely hand packing, hand kitting, but we don't want to be full automation either, because that gets rid of the jobs for people with disabilities.
I visited some of the customers that were running similar products to ours, and I went to one particular facility that had Spee-Dee fillers. The product that they were running was product that they tried to run here at our facility many years ago and failed miserably. So I was absolutely overwhelmed by how efficient that these fillers were operating. So I got into some details. It's not just like a standard filler. It doesn't just auger the product in. It actually focuses on how to stop the product after it's done dosing out the product. And their vacuum tooling was a game changer. Their vacuum tooling allowed that company to triple what their capacity was for throughput on their machines. So when I went to Spee-Dee to do a tour, we met with the engineers, the sales team, the service technicians. They opened their doors to us. And I was extremely impressed. I was extremely impressed to find a company that builds equipment so efficiently and with the best quality that you could ever imagine, but yet open their arms to invite a small guy like me in. I'm looking to buy in one filler, and I've been to companies where, you know, you're only buying one, they don't want to talk to you. Okay, or they just want to give you a little bit of information. They didn't do that. They really listened to what we needed.
The old equipment that we had, we couldn't get parts for anymore. So when we reached out to Spee-Dee to replace these parts, that was the biggest thing that we needed, was, you know, accessibility to any parts that would break down. I can speak to the last filler that we just had installed on our gravy line. The technician came out. Now, I'm new to the game as far as equipment goes. I know things happen at startup. I was expecting something to happen where there's a little hiccup here and oh, we got to take a look at this or that. There was nothing. It got set up and ran, and it performed beautifully.
The coffee line, we get a feedback from our checkweigher. We made a mistake. We bought a checkweigher from another company just before we found out that Spee-Dee sold checkweighers. So the accuracy is based on what the checkweigher is feeding back to the machine. So with the old filler that we replaced, I sat there, and about every fourth bag, the light would turn yellow. The weight was under, the weight was over. After the system was put online last week, we got it set up, and I stood there and monitored it for at least an hour. Never came off the green light. So I never coming off the green light is telling me that the accuracy is extremely, extremely accurate. Sanitation is important because we do some products with allergens, we do some products with non-allergens. So it's important that we could open up a piece of equipment, clean each piece of equipment, sanitize it, swab it, and put it back together. The important thing with Spee-Dee is there's no pockets to catch product in. Finishes on the product is fantastic for cleaning and sanitizing, and everything from the screws to the transfer tubes to the hopper, and even the internal components that we're exposed to when we pull the hopper down. It's easy to access, easy to clean, easy to verify, easy to sanitize.
So with the new Spee-Dee equipment that's come in, I haven't received any phone call about anything going down or any troubleshooting that we've had to do on our end that is taking me away from my work. So it gives me a chance to, you know, go out and look for more companies to do work with to expand and what we're trying to do here and expand our co-packing capabilities, because every minute lost doing that is a contract that you could have gotten.
I buy my equipment from Spee-Dee Filler because it's made in America to an extremely high standard. So when you get involved with a company like Spee-Dee, you just get more excited with each piece of equipment you buy. As each new piece of equipment you buy is just one step up for us. It's another step up the ladder for us. So we are certainly planning on buying more equipment from Spee-Dee.